Chapter 3: The Islands West of Sumatra. Part 3: Engano. Religion, Gods and Spirits. The Engano's religion is doubtlessly similar to that of Mentawei. However, it appears, as far as we know, but little developed from a ritual standpoint. Half-brief gives but brief mention on this point, and northern rites seem better informed. The people believes the people believe in spirits, both good and bad, who bear the name of Kowek. The Enganos have no idea of higher gods. The spirits inhabit the towns, the shores of the sea, the banks of the rivers, and the ocean. The worship of the spirits consists in the holding of sacrificial meats. Offerings are made at the time of sickness and at long droughts. Sacrifices consist of taro, bananas, and fish. The Engano's have the same concept of a world snake naga as have the Batak, the Dayaks, and the other people of the archipelago. The idea, as pointed out for the Bataks, is of Hindu origin. It is customary among the Indonesians having this belief to appease the earthquake god, i.e., the world snake or some substitute, at the time of earthquakes by some special cry. Thus the Bataks cry out, sword hit, because the naga is held fast by a sword. The Mentawaians believe that a powerful magician once was buried under the center post of an Uma as the first human sacrifice, and since he is the cause of earthquakes, they called they called out the su- they called out at such calamities. We are here to tell ancestor. We are here to tell. The Enganes believe that the earthquakes are caused by a great sea fish with very red eyes. There are special seers who are able to see the spirit, and this stand in great respect among the people. The natives also have a story of a man who was murdered by the people and placed in a hole. He became a powerful spirit, and to show his enemies that he still is alive, he causes earthquakes. Fish and palm wine are offered him uh, at such times. See, this is thought to be the cause of by to be co- to be caused by ghosts. Koi. Sick people may have the ghosts driven away from them by being struck the leaves of sacred plants. The seers, Kohayo, may speak to the ghost and inquire the cause of the sickness. The subject, however, is practically uninvestigated.